anybody else. Man, I find myself stuck with a dozen things more, and I'd be no better off than I was before. There's something deep inside me that I just can't switch. There's a scab on my soul that I just can't itch. And if I can't change forever, at least I'll know that I tried. Yeah, I tried.